Hello and welcome. I'm super excited today to bring to you my crazy love, the brain and relationships. I've been in the counseling and coaching field for over 30 years. Love what I do, love helping others, but I've learned a lot along the way that has helped individuals with working on their relationship. So I wanted to share some of those things with you. My joy and desire is to help others to have a successful and happy and healthy relationship. So first, just want to share a little bit about that. This workshop is not meant to take the place of counseling. If you need counseling, please go. I've been to counseling myself as a counselor. There's nothing wrong with going to counseling, and I've helped thousands and thousands of couples over the years work on areas to help their lives and individuals as well. So I really encourage you, if you've struggled with some things and you've often thought about counseling, it can be a great tool to pinpoint some of those really intense things that you need to work on. So hopefully, though, the insights that you get today are going to be something that you can take with you. And I always say this is not just about you. When you're learning these tools, teach your kids these tools. If you've got grown kids, teach your grown kids these tools. The more that you can teach others some things, then the more all of us can experience a great relationship. And that's really what God desires, is for us to have a really amazing, wonderful relationship. And relationships are not meant to be as hard as they are, but unfortunately, when you have other things going on like anxiety, depression, PTSD, past relationship issues, childhood issues, all of those things can affect our relationship. And so now you're not dealing with just the person in front of you, but you're dealing with all the other things that affect your relationship. So I hope that in this workshop that you will learn some tools to, one, learn how to get yourself in a better place and space, but two, learn tools that can help you and your spouse to have an amazing and wonderful relationship. And along the way, learn more about the brain and how the brain works and what you can do every day to be in a better place and space. So follow me along and we'll get with this.